You can make restaurant-quality seared scallops, perfectly cooked with a golden crust, right from home, with this easy recipe tutorial. Top with a simple garlic butter sauce to spoon over them, and you've got a dish to impress. Ingredients: 1½ pounds sea scallops asterisk, salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon butter, 1/2 tablespoon olive oil, garlic butter for serving. Instructions: 1. Pat scallops thoroughly dry all over with paper towels. If necessary, remove the small side muscle from the scallops. Season them with salt and pepper. 2. Heat a large skillet over high heat. Add oil and butter. Once hot, add the scallops, spacing them apart so they're not touching. The oil in the pan should be hot enough that the scallops gently sizzle when added. 3. Cook for 2 minutes without touching them until a golden crust forms on the bottom. 4. Reduce heat to medium-high. Gently flip to the other side and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden on bottom and translucent/opaque on the sides. 5. Scallops cook very quickly, usually in less than 5 minutes, so use the touch test to check for doneness. If they're done, they should feel firm with a little bit of bounce. Err on the side of undercooking them, as you can always add them back the pan to cook longer if needed. Keep in mind they will continue to cook a little as they rest. 6. Remove cooked scallops from the pan. Add 2 tablespoons butter, scraping any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. 7. Add 3 to 4 cloves garlic, juice from half a lemon, and a 1/4 cup white wine, chicken or vegetable broth. Cook for 2 minutes. 8. Serve sauce over scallops. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley if desired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.